How can you empty the iPhone trash can? Let me explain that and show you how it works. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything. Okay, so on the iPhone, we don't have one trash can for the whole device, but we have plenty of trash cans or, the deleted folders across multiple different apps. So, for example, the best example is, I believe, the Photos app. You open up the picture of your choice, tap the delete button to remove it, but it doesn't mean that it's gone forever. What it means, however, is that you can still go to collections, tap on the utilities or find it somewhere below, and you can find the recently deleted folder. So that is something which you can most definitely do, and you will have the ability to tap on a delete fully or recover it, right? So this is how you can manage the trash can for photos only. And as I say, it's scattered across the device. For example, you go to the Files app, you have the recently deleted folder right there, right? So that's something you can find in here. But also inside of the Notes app, right? Inside of even the passwords, like if you have passwords stored and you delete one, it's also going to be part of the recently deleted folder, part of apps like Freeform and so on. So it kind of works on this basis where you have to go through the applications and see if they perhaps take up a lot of storage and find the trash can for those apps. Of course, when going to the settings, general, and the iPhone storage, you can see a little bit of a breakdown of which app is taking up how much space. So you can kind of like go there directly if you feel like you might have something in the trash there. But that's all for me. Let me know what you think below. Subscribe and I'll catch you later.